friend. He was driving the car, right? So the car was coming from the other side. We were going to Verna side. So I seen this car was driving very roughly. It passed back from my side. So we seen like we thought it's maybe our friend car, but we are not sure it's the same car because there's no way the car is gonna come all the way here, right? After we reached Verna, we got a call that we met with the accident. Then I came and I realized. So what happened? Basically, this car guy he was so roughly was driving, so he hit my friend's car. And he took that car all the way to the other opposite side. And I believe that another biker he was coming from here. He took that guy also. So now the biker is injured. Nothing happened to even I had a small kid, 3.5-year-old. So thank God nothing happened. Number plate, I believe is a tourist. He looks completely drunk. So these people are really causing inconvenience for the Goans. So this type of thing, it's not acceptable at all. From there, my friend car was coming from there. Now look at it, we are standing on opposite side. So imagine the way he was driving. He took the Creta all the way with him, and on the way there was another biker. So that biker, I think, completely injured. He is not able to walk also.
एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ है।
हाँ, क्या हुआ क्या?
अचानक पानी भरा था, पूरा कार घूम गया और इधर आ गए।
आप किधर से हो?
मैं बड़गाम से हूँ।
और ये गाड़ी तुम्हारा है?
मेरा दोस्त का है।
हाँ, कैसा हो गया? क्या बोल के हो गया?
पूरा पानी में घूम गया है बारिश में।
हमारी कार इनके पीछे थी,
हाँ।
तो ये अचानक से पता नहीं ही इज नॉट कंट्रोल, कैन कंट्रोल इज कार और सडनली उनका कार टर्न हो गया, हमारे कार जाके उससे टक्कर हो गई एंड ही वाज अनकंट्रोलेबल, सो ही पुल्ड अस लाइक इन द हियर ओनली। वी हैव क्रॉस्ड दिस बैरियर एंड वी केम दिस साइड
to each other. See, he dragged my car to the right and
वी
he
क्रॉस्ड द
crossed
डिवाइडर एंड देन वी केम दिस
and
साइड।
he crossed the whole road, took one scooty driver under his car and gone up to that. It is nearly 20 meters away from the place of accident. So he dragged from there to here my car. My full family was inside. My wife, my children, one, he is 18-year-old and one small child was there. Only 3.5 years old kid was there.
Nothing happened.
Nothing.
By God's grace,
By God's grace, nothing
happened.
has happened to any of us.
Anything happened to the scooty fellow?
The scooty is still inside that under the car. You can under the car you see.